This is a video demo of the ShopTurtleBay.com backend. The backend is basically where you view your statistics, view your orders, view your customers, and change the configuration for the front end, for the site, the taxes, the shipping costs, etc. So basically, to access that, you would go to ShopTurtleBay.com/admin, and immediately upon logging into the Shopify software, you will see the dashboard, which has your statistics, the visitors that came in, and the orders for the last 30 days. The amount, not the specific orders, but basically the amount that was ordered. Basically everything in the back end is listed on the left side. You can see there's orders, customers, discounts. These are all the features of the back end. So if you wanted to see orders, you just click orders, and these are all the orders that have been placed on the front end. You can see from the last demo I made of the front end, I placed order 1004. I click there, and here's the order, the specifics of the order: the 2 tank top baller tank tops, the single Martin Polo, and basically it shows how much it is, what the shipping cost was charged, the total, and what they used to pay for it, and also the information of the customer. You can also see the information of the customers by clicking customer on the tab. Click Kevin Chan, and you can see that this customer, Kevin Chan, placed order 1004 at this time, and this is his information. The next tab is discounts. Discounts are discount codes which give the customer an opportunity to, if they enter the code, they'll get percentage off or a dollar amount off. So let's try to add a coupon here, a coupon code. You do that by simply clicking the top right button, add discount. And let's make the discount code coupon 99. The discount type would be take $10 off for each order. Discount begins today and expires in a week. Like in a week, 23rd. We save it. And it creates the code right here. Coupon 99, the code is now created. And it keeps track of how many times the customer used it. It was used 0 times. And you can disable it anytime you want, or enable it anytime you want. Just click this button, see disable. It will disable this code. Enable. You enable this code. I also made other codes here. You can see Turtle321. It has $5 off each order. Look, you can enable it. So these 2 codes are now active, and all these other codes are not active. That's basically how you do that. Okay, the next tab is products. Products basically will list all the products in every single store. So you can see all the products here that were added. That's every single product in every store. And basically, if you wanted to edit a product, let's say I wanted to edit this Big Wave t-shirt, I'd click here, click on the product name, and you can see the title of the product, the description of the product, the colors of the product, the image of the product, what category it belongs to, and so basically I could edit it just by entering whatever. And see, I'm changing the product name to SSDSD, but we don't want to name it that. But if I saved it, the name of that product would change to that. Also, you just type whatever here for the description if you wanted to add a description. If you wanted to add another color, you just click this add variant and add the color. Images, you can delete this image and replace it if you'd like, or you can add more images by going choose image and going to your desktop and choosing another image for your desktop. That would be how to do it, just like Facebook kind of. I don't know if you guys are good at uploading images on Facebook, but basically the same thing. This collections is what category it belongs to. So this is North Watershed. This item belongs to North Watershed Women's Apparel. You can add this to different other categories as well, just by clicking Add to Collections. And so if I click golf hats, Now this item now belongs to North Shore Watershed Women's Apparel and also the golf hats category. So if you go to golf hats, you'll actually see it in the golf hats category. Of course, it's not a golf hat, so let's just remove this by pressing an X. Okay, so now it's just Watershed Women's Apparel category, and that's basically how you would manage every single product. Now, if you wanted to add a new product, you would simply go to the top right and click Add Product. Now, when you do this, everything's blank now. It's the same thing. It's just everything's blank. So you just put, if you wanted to add another item called Hat 2, you just enter in the information, the description, the price, the image. You upload the image for it, and then you choose what category you want it to belong in. Do you want it to do in Watershed Kids, hats? Which store do you want it to belong in? That's where you would configure it, and then you save it. Of course, we don't want to save it, so press cancel. Okay, and that's basically how you would manage your products. You just do the same thing here. Let's do another one. So this is the Imperial Oahu Palm hat. You can see that here's the title, description, the colors. You want to add another color, again, add variant. Here's the picture. Add as many pictures as you want. And it belongs to two categories, golf hats and the Turtle Bay Golf Store categories. Okay. Basically, there's a couple more things I want to go over. Basically, if you want to see the code for your website, you would click on Themes. Okay, this is important. Basically, if you want, another programmer to work on it, you wanted to get the source code for yourself. You basically copy this code. You click Themes to get this code. You click Themes and then Template Editor, and every file that has .liquid next to it is a file that makes your site run. So you can see that this is a file, theme liquid. See, this is the code for that file, and these are just the codes for each file. See, article, the code for the cart, code for the collection. This is just all the source code. And if you click on snippets, there's a couple more files here. Don't worry, I know this is foreign to you, but a programmer would know exactly what's going on. Okay, if you click assets, these are basically like the pictures of the site. So if you click it, you can see the pictures. Here's the Discover picture, the MasterCard picture. All the pictures that are used in your site are here too. Look, I can go to the North Shore Watershed pictures and the hover-overs. So all the pictures are here. This is where you get them. This is where that slideshow in the beginning. The Oakley pictures. So everything is here. Basically, if you wanted to grab it and remake the site yourself, you just click Themes, Themes Editor, copy all these files. You're good. You got the backup for it. Okay? So the backup's all here if you want to get it. All accessible through the admin. Okay, so there's one more thing I want to go over. That would be basically setting your shipping costs and your taxes. To do that, you click Settings. Okay, and you'd go to, you can see now the tab changed here. Basically, to change your shipping costs and your tax costs, you would configure it here, shipping and taxes. So I click shipping. Okay, and you see right now the shipping cost is based upon weight. Standard shipping $10. So if you can make each item have a weight too, and it'll know what to charge based upon the weight of the item. But we probably don't want to do that. Let's add another shipping rate. So let's say I want to get a shipping rate based upon price. So basically, if you have cost shipping, let's say shipping method B. So for all products like $10 and up, I would make the shipping cost $20. Okay. You save it, and you'll see that now you have another shipping cost here called shipping cost B, where every product that's $10 and up will get a $20 shipping cost appended to the cost of the product. But that's basically how you would create a shipping cost. Okay. Okay, for taxes, right now it's set for 0. It's not charging any taxes. But if you wanted to charge a tax, you would basically click United States, and so for everybody in the United States, how much percentage tax do you want to charge? So Hawaii is 4%. So let's charge everybody 4%. So you charge 4%. Okay. So now everybody who orders, every customer that orders is going to get charged 4%, no matter what. Okay. Now if you want to make them, the people from Alabama, get charged more, okay, they get charged 4% plus a state tax of 3%. Okay. Now if a customer from Alabama comes in, they're going to get charged 7%, 4 plus 3. So you can tax people from different places more than the standard if you want. See, so if in New Jersey I want to charge them like 6% more, they're now getting charged 10% on their order. And basically for the rest of the world, see, if you click rest of the world, you charge a standard tax for the rest of the world, like because you're doing international shipping, stuff like that, international taxes. You can just put 10%. So the store knows where you're buying it from. So if you're buying it from Germany, it knows that this customer belongs to the rest of the world, and it will charge a 10% tax on the order. And that's, let me just change this back real quick. 0. Oh, gotta change this back. But that's basically, how you would charge taxes. If you have any help and need any help, it's a little complicated, I guess. I know it's hard to explain a little, it's hard to explain. So, if you have any questions, give me a call or send me an email. But I'm sure like it's not that hard to figure out. You can play with it a little bit. Thank you so much. Let me know.